Hey everyone, welcome back to PartsHnC. Today, we're diving into some essential maintenance tips for your Armstrong air conditioner. Let's get started. Regular maintenance of your air conditioner not only extends its lifespan, but also ensures it runs efficiently. Here are some simple yet effective tips to keep your Armstrong air conditioner in top shape. First, always check and replace your air filters regularly. A clogged filter reduces airflow, making your unit work harder. I recommend checking it monthly and replacing it every 3 months or as needed. Next, keep the area around your outdoor unit clean. Remove any debris, leaves, or grass that may have accumulated. This ensures proper airflow and prevents your system from overheating. Another tip is to check your thermostat settings. Make sure it's working correctly and consider upgrading to a programmable thermostat for better energy efficiency. Cleaning the condenser coils is crucial. Dirty coils reduce your system's ability to cool your home. You can use a garden hose to gently clean the coils or call a professional for a thorough cleaning. Don't forget to inspect the condensate drain line. A clogged drain can cause water damage and increase humidity levels in your home. Use a mix of water and vinegar to keep it clear. Inspect your ductwork for leaks and blockages. Leaky ducts can waste a lot of energy and reduce your system's efficiency. Seal any leaks with duct tape or mastic sealant. Also, remember to replace the batteries in your thermostat at least once a year. This simple step can prevent a lot of unexpected issues. Finally, schedule a professional maintenance checkup at least once a year. A certified technician can spot and fix potential problems before they become major issues.